Welcome to my channel Watch and Learn. So viewers, in this video we are going to discuss about correlation, positive correlation and negative correlation. So first of all we will discuss about correlation. A correlation is a statistical measurement of the relationship between two variables. Possible correlation range from +1 to -1. So let's talk about positive correlation. The important point to note for positive linear relationship between the variables is that values of both the variables move in the same direction. That is, if values of one variable is increasing, then the values of the other variable also tend to increasing. Or if values of one variable is decreasing, then the values of the other variable also tend to decreasing. So the positively correlated variables are also called directly correlated. Positive correlation indicates +1. So the example of positive correlations is hot weather and demand of ice. Let's talk about negative correlation. So, in linear relationship, if the dots of the scatter diagram depict a pattern of downward straight line, then we will term this relationship as negative linear relationship or negatively correlated. The important point to remember for negative linear relationship is that the movements in the values of both the variables are in opposite direction. That is, if values of one variable is increasing, then the values of the other variables tend to decrease. So, the negatively correlated variables are also called inversely correlated. It can be defined as the inverse relationship between two variables. When one variable increases, the other decreases. So, for example, the more you sleep, the less tired you will feel. Increase in supply of commodity usually result in fall of its price. Next example, pressure and volume of gas. So, -1 indicated negative correlation. I hope so you understood this simple concept about negative and positive correlation. For more informative and latest video, kindly subscribe my channel.